Let me walk you through a 721 exchange step by step. You own a warehouse, $3 million value, basis near zero, 20 years in. Step 1, instead of listing the building for sale, you contribute it to the operating partnership of a REIT, the entity that actually holds the real estate below the public company. Step 2, in exchange you receive OP units, a limited partnership interest. Under Section 721, this is a non-recognition event. The IRS does not call it a sale. No taxes due. Step 3, you hold those units. Distributions come in, your proportionate share of income from the whole portfolio. You are still earning from real estate. You are not managing it. Step 4, after the holding period, typically 1 year, you can convert OP units to publicly traded REIT shares and sell them when it makes sense for your tax picture, or hold until death. Your heirs may receive a stepped-up basis, the deferred gain, potentially gone. Your $3 million warehouse is now part of a portfolio that might hold 50, 100 or more properties. The building stops being your problem. The equity keeps working. Adam Von Romer, Axis Realty Advisors. DM me to see how this maps to your property. 954-495-1818.